So, our today's topic is airline routing and planning using machine learning. So, optimizing flights operations with predictive analytics means with previous whatever data is there, using that it predicts flight operation and it continues them. Okay, so analyze historical flight data to predict delays and cancellations. It sees the previous data of flights which has come and gone to predict the delays, how the delays happen, so why the cancellations and all. It predicts. Optimize flight routes for fuel efficiency and shorter travel time. So it sees like what's the best route for traveling and all, from where it go, what's the time, weather and all, through which they can save the time and travel efficiency, fuel and travel time. Then decide between direct flights and those with stopovers based on demand. So now many flights can either go directly or they can have a stopover based on the demands. If a plane is from India to Europe, it can even go directly to Europe, or it could get a stopover in the Dubai based on the demands if people have to take off from Dubai to Europe also. Then manage crew scheduling and aircraft maintenance using predictive models. So with using some of the models, it manages crew scheduling, how AI does some works for us. So it can manage the crew scheduling, like this crew goes for this plane at this time at this day, so that there is no confusion and everything goes as planned and properly. Then it improves customer satisfaction by minimizing disturbs. So now if problems aren't there, customers may be happy. So it needs to provide satisfaction by doing less mistakes. Okay, then efficient resource usage leads to optional cost saving. Now if we use our resources properly, then of course savings will happen. So it uses it makes a resource use efficiently, so that now if we are using a fuel at a economy speed continuously, then the fuel is running at the same speed and the fuel flow is same. But now if we go to from economy to 80 and suddenly jump back to 40, then the fuel which is used to speed up to 80, and if it's not continued, then the fuel is wasted. So it usage it uses the resources properly. Then enhanced reliability boosts airline reputation. Now if we have trust on someone, only we tell them secrets or whatever it is. So now if you have trust on the airline, then only we go to the planes and then only we fly in it. If we don't have trust in them, then we don't fly. It may fall off or accident may happen. But when you have trust, so you can rely on them. Like if you can just rely on them and go here and there. So that builds an airline reputation. So that was for today. Thank you.